Hi everyone, my name is Natalie and I am an occupational therapy student who's completing my capstone project and internship with Rainbow. This is a quick video tutorial for how to navigate the modules that will be available to you as a result of my project. The module is presented as a website with multiple tabs that will bring you to each page. When you first click the link, you will be brought to this home page. When you first get to the home page, please scroll down to this section to read what this module will entail and why it will be relevant to you as a dog handler providing animal-assisted therapy. Continue to scroll down where you'll see two of my dogs, Cash and Sasha, in their Halloween costumes that will hopefully get your attention to stop before you begin the rest of the module. There are pre-module questions embedded within the site that I would like you to answer before continuing. There will also be post-module questions at the end of the module, and all of the answers are anonymous and designed to help me determine the effectiveness of the content. You can answer these questions directly within the site, or you can click here to be taken to an external site where you can then answer the questions. When you are finished answering the questions, you will get a message saying that your response was recorded. Scroll down to see a message about completing the module in order until you reach the end where you'll answer the post-module questions, while also knowing that you can start and come back at a later time. The module is intended to be a self-paced module. You can then scroll down to see the table of contents and then move on to the next page. You can either move on to the next page by clicking the button here or the tab at the top of the page. As you will see, each page has the same buttons to either proceed to the next page or return to the home page if you'd like. Many pages will have links to either videos or articles. You can click the hyperlink here to be brought to an external site, or you can simply click on the video within the site and then make it a full screen. Several pages will include a section with additional resources if you'd like to go down the rabbit hole and learn more about any given topic. These resources might be videos, websites, or articles. To view different websites or articles, you can simply click on the hyperlink again to be brought to the external site, or you can simply click on the image and also be brought to the external site. You will continue the module until you reach the page titled Final Steps, where you'll see my beagle Charlie letting you know that I have one more request, and that is to complete the post-module questions that are embedded within the page. Once again, the responses are anonymous and will help me to determine the effectiveness of the module, as well as to gather feedback about the module as a whole. Once you submit your responses, you will see a button that says View Accuracy, in which you can click to be brought to an external site to view the correct responses. Then continue to scroll down to view and download a tip sheet if you're interested. You can either click on the hyperlink here, click on the button here, or you can click the button that says click here to download this tip sheet. You will be brought to an external PDF in which you can then click this button to download and save for yourself. The tip sheet contains a QR code that you can scan with your camera on your phone to be brought directly to this module. If you have any questions or feedback for me and would prefer to email it, I do list my email address here. If you're interested in viewing a couple of videos about animal-assisted therapy with individuals with dementia, I do list a couple of videos on this additional resources page. You can then scroll down to click the next button to view my references if you're interested. I hope you enjoy the module and find it helpful, and I look forward to any feedback or questions that you might have.